We're going to let down the next section, and that section is from the point of recession to the point of recession. So you should end up with a little horseshoe shaped section up through the top. Okay, I'm going to clip that away. And again, we're going to start at the front and taking about a 2-inch wide section to the ear. We're going to go away from her face. Wrapping up. And then we're unwinding. Pull, twist back up, unwind, pull, twist back up. The key is when you unwind, keep the iron going. If you don't keep the iron going and moving, it will create the lines in the hair, create those bends. Okay, so now I'm going toward the face. And I'll show you what I mean. If you unwind without moving the curling iron, and I go like this, as I unwind, we're gonna end up with a bend right there. So we don't wanna do that. I wanna keep the iron moving. When I unwind, I'm keeping the iron moving so I can pull down. So it's always wrapping smoothly around the iron. Okay, so away, toward, and then the next section back through here will be away. Sometimes if your client has thicker hair, you're gonna need to do maybe 4 sections, but as much as possible, I try to get each side done in 3 sections, and it allows you to get this look completed very quickly on your client or even on yourself. Okay. Unwind. Okay. And now we're going to do the other side. About a 2-inch section. Then the next section is going to go toward her face. If you want the curls to start closer up towards the scalp, then you want to take smaller sections. If you don't mind the curls starting a little further away from the scalp, then these big, large 2-inch sections are fine. Okay, and then this last section is going to go away from her face.